hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is something super casual, super relaxed, super chill. So grab yourselves a hot chocolate or coffee, a tea and some snacks. We are basically going to have a chat. I asked you guys over on my Instagram to ask me some Christmas themed questions. I've already filmed this intro twice and I kept saying Christmas themed questions, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Some are Lush related, some are non-Lush related. We're just going to go through them all, have a little chat. I have got a chai latte here which I'm pretty sure has gone tepid, which I absolutely hate. Got a blue mug, love it. Anyway, ramble over, let's dive into the questions. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. As I said, these are going to be Lush related, non-Lush related, so I'm just going to go in, mix them all about. So let's go with the first one, which is best/worst Christmas experience working at Lush. Now, I would say in general, these are kind of general things like that make it the best and worst sort of experience. The best is obviously helping people find presents. I absolutely love Christmas shopping, whether that be for my friends or family, or helping Ryan with his friends and family, or I just love it. I don't know why. So helping people pick up like Christmas presents was absolutely amazing and I loved it so much. But the worst thing was definitely the Lush Boxing Day sale, because people just have no manners when it comes to sales. Everything gets messy, people are pushing and shoving, and I absolutely hated it. But it was very nice working over Christmas because I love the Christmas vibe. I went shopping today and bought this cardigan, new look, and all the Christmas songs were on and I absolutely loved it. But yeah, that would be my best and worst experience for sure. The next question is all-time favourite Lush Christmas product. That's really hard because I would automatically say Lord of Misrule, because originally that was a Christmas bath bomb many years ago, but we're going to exclude that for a second. I really loved the Magic of Christmas bubble bar wand. That was amazing. It was a little gold star on a cinnamon stick and it smelt incredible. Or Cinder's bath bomb, Golden Wonder, so good. I have quite a few favourites, but those for sure would be my top few because I can't just pick one, obviously. The next question is, when do you put your Christmas decorations up / when is an acceptable time? And I feel like this is very dependent on your living situation. Because I live with my parents, I don't really have a choice. My mum puts the tree up and she puts it up kind of a week or so before Christmas. In my opinion, personally, I think I would put my tree up on the 1st of December, so I had a full like month of having my Christmas decorations up, because I wouldn't want to put all my decorations up and take them down like a week later. That's just so much work and I really wouldn't be bothered. I know that when me and Ryan get a house, I will say to him that we're going to put it up on the 1st of December at the like latest, because I want to enjoy the Christmas tree up for at least a month. So personally, I think it's a personal preference. Maybe like mid to end November, something like that. But yeah, 1st of December for me. That's just kind of, it just kind of makes sense in my head, I suppose. The next question is, will you be buying any Lush Christmas gifts? And I don't want to say, because I don't want to ruin it. I haven't bought any Lush actual box sets. I tend to just buy individual products, and that's not because I don't love the box sets, because I always recommend box sets for people anyway, but I just find that the people that I buy Lush for have a lot of Lush anyway, so I just buy personal little bits. But yeah, that's kind of all I've really bought this year. I haven't really bought too much from there, so yeah. The next question is, do you have a Christmas Eve bath? If so, what products do you use? And it completely depends on my Christmas Eve. So I don't work on Christmas Eve. I feel like people shouldn't work on Christmas Eve. It's basically Christmas. So depending on what I do that day, usually it's rushing around getting the few last bits, or filming YouTube content if I've got nothing really else to do. I do like to film some YouTube content for the new year on Christmas Eve, because I like to kind of just be ahead of the game a little bit, just in case I get busy and things like that. I don't really want to miss an upload, so yeah. So if I have time to have a Christmas Eve bath as opposed to like a Christmas Eve shower, I probably will use something like Golden Wonder or Cinders or the Magic of Christmas if that was still out, like something really festive and Christmassy smelling, like the cinnamon roll bubble bar, something like that. That's the kind of vibe I go for, something spicy and festive and like uber Christmassy. But yeah, that's what I love. The next question is least favourite Christmas food. That's a really interesting question because that's a hard one. I would say, actually, that's a lie. I have quite a few actually. So my parents have a prawn ring. Do you know what that is? Like a prawn ring with the sauce in the middle. I hate prawns, so I don't like that. I also don't like Brussels sprouts. I don't like parsnips. I think that's it. Oh, and I don't like anything with raisins in. So like Christmas pudding, that vibe is a no-go for me. So I actually have a few things I don't like. The next question is, does it snow in the UK? Just curious. And it does snow in the UK, but it usually snows around end of Jan, early Feb. It doesn't really snow on Christmas. I think from what I can remember, I could be wrong, so don't come for me. I think I've only ever had like one white Christmas, and I'm 27, so it hasn't really ever snowed on Christmas, but it does at the end of January, early Feb, and I think last year it snowed this year, not last year. I think it snowed on the 24th of January, so 2 days after my birthday. So yeah, but I hate the snow. I feel like I'm a bit of a Scrooge when it comes to the snow. I don't like it. It means I have to walk in the snow and it's slippery and then I'm cold. I just don't like it. So yeah. The next question is, what is on your wish list? That's really interesting. I actually have got a wish list on my phone because throughout the year I don't tend to remember what I want for Christmas, and then when it comes to Christmas everyone's like, oh, what can I get you? I'm like, I don't even know, like I just don't know. So now I write a list. So on my list this year I've got the Urban Decay Cyber palette, the Urban Decay Naked Mini 3, which is out of stock everywhere, but that's on my wish list anyway, a leather jacket because I don't actually have a black leather jacket, so I'd like a black one. A few things from Pandora that I really like, and then Doc Martens, and that's basically it. So there's not really a lot of range on my Christmas list. There are 6 pairs of Doc Martens though, which is a problem. So yeah, but that's basically it. Just Doc Martens, makeup, and a bit of jewellery, and that's it. The next question is your top 3 Christmas films. That is an easy one, so it's in no particular order. The Holiday, Love Actually, and Elf. I think that's my top 3. I hope I haven't missed a really good one, but those are my top 3 for sure. The next question is favourite Christmas candles, and I don't necessarily have like a favourite specific candle, but I just love anything foodie, like Yankee Candle's Christmas cookie, unreal. Anything like gingerbready, cinnamon, like apple cinnamony smell. Love it. I've also had quite a few questions on Christmas traditions, like what I do around Christmas time, and if I'm honest, I don't really have any Christmas like traditions. I'm an only child. I don't really have any children in my family. Like, it's not that kind of vibe, do you know what I mean? So essentially my kind of day is me, my mum and dad, we do presents in the morning, then my nan comes round and we all have dinner, and then in the evening I go and see Ryan, and that's basically my Christmas. I don't have any specific Christmas traditions, but I'd love to know yours. Let me know down below what you guys do. Maybe you can give me some inspiration for traditions and stuff, because I'd love to know. Next up is, what are you hoping to get for Christmas apart from a puppy? And if you guys didn't know, all I want in life is a dog, but I know that I need to get a house first, but I really want a dog. But I've basically told you my list already. Doc Martens, multiple pairs. There's so many that I absolutely am obsessed with. So yeah, Doc Martens, a bit of jewellery, who doesn't love jewellery, a leather jacket, and a bit of makeup, and that's about it. So yeah. The next question is, what are you looking forward to in 2022? And that's a really hard question because I don't really know what's to come in 2022. I would really love to be in the position of looking for a house in 2022, whether that be that me and Ryan, what is going on with my barnet today? Whether that be that me and Ryan actually get a house in 2022, or whether we just start actively looking for a house. I just would love to be doing that next year. 22 is my lucky number. It's my favourite number. So I feel like if I can get a house in 2022, that would just be ideal. So yeah, that is kind of what I want to do. We're very lucky in the fact that we both live at home at the moment. So when we get a house, we haven't got a rush to move in. We can do it all up and everything like that. And yes, there will be moving vlogs. There will be vlogs coming left, right and centre, as long as you guys want that, so let me know. And obviously I can keep you guys updated. I really want to do more vlogs next year. I feel like I love looking back on them, so I need to actually start filming them. So let me know down below whether that's something you guys would like to see more of. I don't tend to upload them very much because I find that it's not that they don't just do as well, but I just find, I don't know whether you guys like them, so let me know down below if that is something you enjoy, because things like Elle Darby, I'm obsessed with her vlogs at the moment. Her Christmas vlogs, I'm obsessed, so let me know if you'd like to see that. But yeah, that's probably what I'm looking forward to most, is just getting an idea of houses and stuff next year. Like, all my friends are starting to move out and get houses and stuff, and I just cannot wait. I have so many ideas for the house that we get, regardless. I don't even know what it looks like right now, but like in regards to like decorations and like our first Christmas, I just can't wait. So yeah, let me know if you want to see moving vlogs if and when that ever happens, because I can't wait to do that. So yeah, the next question is, what is your favourite Lush Christmas shower gel? That's a really hard question, because I love Snow Fairy just because of the nostalgia, like the smell. It's so nostalgic to me. It reminds me of working there like years ago, and I love that. But I wouldn't necessarily say it's my favourite. I think Yognog has to be my favourite, because it's just so incredibly yum. Like, the smell, it's just so yummy. I absolutely love it. So I'd have to say Yognog for that one. And the last question I'm going to answer in this video is, how do you celebrate Christmas with your boyfriend, family, friends, question mark, question mark. And I feel like I did briefly touch on this, but I will just go through it again. Essentially, I spend the morning with my parents, then my nan comes over, so she's not on her own for Christmas, and we have food. We have a 3-course meal, which is a lot, but we don't have breakfast and we don't have dinner, so we just have our 3-course meal and then probably some sort of like snacky bits. But Boxing Day dinner is my absolute favourite. I'm going on a tangent now, but I love Boxing Day dinner because it's like cold meats with like mashed potato, and I love mashed potato more than life itself, I swear, and gherkins and all the yummy like salad bits, so I love Boxing Day. But anyway, we have dinner, then we chill, then I usually just wait for Ryan to be done with his dinner, and then I go over to his brother's house and we just play games and stuff. I mean, that's what we did last year, and we've only had one Christmas together, so that is what we did last year, and it was really fun. So I imagine we'll probably do something similar this year. But yeah, that is what I do. Again, let me know what you do down below, because I would love to get an insight of your guys' Christmas, if you celebrate it. If you don't celebrate it, let me know what you're going to be doing on the day anyway, if you have any plans. And if you don't, then have a Lush bath and have a pamper. Can't go wrong with that. So that is everything for this Q&A. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I haven't done a chatty Q&A video in a while, and I know that me editing this, I'm probably going to hate myself for rambling for so long. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you could, and obviously don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. Again, let me know down below what videos you want to see next year, whether that be vlogs or anything different for my channel. Let me know. Obviously, the Lush content will still remain, because who doesn't love a Lush video, you know? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.